Launched phase 1 of its e-payment program that will help city dwellers to query bill services, validate information and get staff services at their comfort by simply texting 3032 from their mobile handsets. It is estimated that the city council, which loses close to 50% of its revenue through corruption-related activities, will be able to arrest the situation with approximately 30,000 business premises operating on illegal documents in the city.
There are some fellows who have been producing receipts and single business permits and so on and so forth in the River Road here, and some of them within CPD.
For a long time, the council has been handling services manually, and the town clerk Philip Kisia says this is going to be a thing of the past. Local Government Assistant Minister Lewis Nguyai said the e-payment program will help streamline operations and make Nairobi an investor-friendly destination in East and Central Africa.
With this new technology, you're making a big and major and bold step to putting us back to where we belong.
The second phase of the e-payment program will be launched in March this year and will see the council being able to electronically send invoices to its clients on land rates, single business permits, house rents and market stalls. Haliganagade for the news.
Speaking during the signing ceremony of a long-term partnership between Equity Bank and the German Development Bank, KfW and Twingslangs Bank, that saw the Kenyan bank acquire loan facilities translating to 2 billion shillings for the SME sector, Mwangi noted that there is a growing interest for foreign currency denominated loans. He said the loan facilities that will be provided in foreign currency denominated loans will ensure that the country mitigates against risks associated with using the local currency when transacting beyond borders.
If you are able to hedge against the foreign exchange risk, fluctuation risk, interest rates on foreign currency are much lower because RIBOR is lower.
Mwangi noted that Equity Bank had disbursed over 15 billion shillings in recent years, especially to local companies venturing into the region, where major reserve currencies are the preferred legal tender. He also noted that the loans, such as the one in partnership with the German bank, would make the local SME sector more competitive thanks to the low interest rates capped on them.
Borrow at 5% in Kenya and go and compete with an enterprise in Uganda, borrowing at 30%.
KfW Director Thomas Duva said the German bank will continue to focus on sustainable development among small businesses and has already disbursed loans amounting to 380 million euros to the sub-Saharan region.
The funds we are using here are funds which are destined for regional cooperations.
Kamaumbote, Business at 9. As predicted by many analysts, the Monetary Policy Committee today retained the central bank rate at 18%, saying tightening measures undertaken last month have slowed down inflation from 19.72% in November to 18.9% last month, while the shilling has stabilized in the range of 83 shillings and 88 shillings to the dollar. And with every indication of a positive outlook for 2012, following reduced inflation as the supply side strengthens, the MPC says there is every sign that the banking sector will remain stable, while the recent reaffirming of Kenya's credit rating at B+ with a stable outlook by the Standard & Poor's rating agency is a reflection of confidence in the country as an investment destination. The committee further said the extended credit facility program approved by the International Monetary Fund has boosted the country's foreign exchange reserves and generated improved confidence in the policy arena. The committee has, however, raised a red flag on the continued imbalance of payment side and the euro debt crisis that have led to turmoil on the global financial markets, saying they pose a major risk to the